Hello traders, I hope you're all doing fine. So today for tomorrow's trading session, I have bought 5 more stocks for you to trade. However, let's recap uh, what we have suggested yesterday. And yesterday we suggested IIFL securities. So what we suggested is if it goes above 91, we will be going and buying that stock. And starting of the day showed some weakness. If you go to 5 minute time frame, it showed some weakness and uh, came somewhere around 85 levels, take a support from here, and it started rallying again at the 2:30 p.m. So if you have bought at 91 levels at 2:30 p.m., even then you will be having a, I mean, you'll be end up with the profits because the stock nearly touched 100 levels. So for this tomorrow, it might go somewhere around till 99 again. So after that, we have to see whether profit booking comes or not. So 100 is a 100 and 101 is a psychological resistance levels. So you can keep an eye on this stock, and this is a 94 is kind of a support level for this. So keep an eye on this. Tomorrow it might go up. So trade as per the price action. Okay. So the next stock which I suggested was a Saxoft. It gave a good momentum in the morning, then become a range bound. So for tomorrow, it might not be that trendy. However, it can give somewhere around 2% returns. This level is 653 level is a kind of acting as a resistance for this. So it may take some days for it to break. So just keep an eye on this, and if this crosses 663 tomorrow, definitely you can go ahead and buy, and you'll be getting good profits. Okay, so I will close this. So let us go for tomorrow's stocks. Okay, the first stock is Greaves Cotton. Okay, so if you see Greaves Cotton here, there is a kind of a trend line, if you see coming from above, which is acting as a resistance, and this is a support line coming from here, which is acting as a good support. So tomorrow, what we can do is we have to see whether if this resistance level is broken, that is 168. Once this 168 is broken, it will you can directly take a targets until here, that is 2.74%. The targets will be 173.25. Okay, it is the first target, and if this breaks this uh, you know resistance line as well, so you can trail your stop loss till here, that is 173.25, and you can enjoy the rest of the rally. Now going short in this happens only when this level is broken. So 163 level, or you can short it at 164, because this is a major this trend line is a major support. If this kind of breaks, you can short at 164.15, and you will be getting somewhere around 2.41% of the uh, profit in this. Okay, so this is the plan, both side. If it goes down, you can short it, and as per the levels, and if it goes above, wait for this level to be broken at where is 168 levels, so that you can go ahead and take a long position in this. The second stock is JK Paper. So if you see JK Paper here, it's kind of respecting this trend line, and now this, they have taken this support, exactly support here, and stock is trading somewhere around 224 levels. So what we have to do is tomorrow, if it crosses 225.85, we directly going to buy this, and we'll be taking a target somewhere around 2.5%, that is 231.90. And if this support line breaks, this support trend line, So somewhere around 222 level, we're gonna go ahead and short this. So we'll be getting somewhere around 2.7% of the downside movement. So keep an eye on these levels. And if this behaves in a range bound, don't take a trade. Take a trade only when these levels are broken in the upside or the downside. Okay. I hope you have got this point as well. Okay. The next stock is Vardhaman Special Steel, VSSL. So in this, if we see here, uh, this trend line is acting as a good support. So the stock has taken support here. Now, just keep an eye on this. If it crosses 264 or 263 levels tomorrow, we can go ahead and buy, and we can expect targets somewhere around. Give me 1 second. That is 271.45. That is nearly 2.6%. And the shorting for this will happen only when if it breaks 261 level, 261.15. If it breaks down this level, you can directly go ahead and short, and you'll be getting a profits of somewhere around 2.17% for the downside. Okay, this is another stock. And the next stock is Sonata Software. So with respect to TCS results, IT stocks will be in focus, and I have got you two IT stocks. That is, first one is Sonata Software. So Sonata Software, I have a no trading zone for you. Okay, so no trading zone is between 767.45 and 758.65. So these are the no trading zone. If tomorrow the stock behaves range bound, you can ignore the stock and concentrate on other stocks. If it breaks 767 level, directly go ahead and buy. You will be getting targets of, give me 1 second, somewhere around, yeah, so 2.45% you'll be getting a targets. Now, shorting, I don't recommend, but you know, if it crosses 752 level, then only short. So you will be getting 1.5% of the profits downside. The reason behind is simple. Tomorrow the IT stocks will be in focus, and it might only show the upward movement, or it will be range bound. However, in unexpected any cases like today, what happened with the markets, Dow Jones have fallen rapidly. That's the reason why our markets mainly follows US markets. So our markets have been corrected as well. So that is the reason why I'm giving you this sell option, and so you can sell this as well. Okay, fine. The last stock for the day is Newgen Software. Okay, Newgen. Okay, so here if you see, it's giving perfect support this trend line for the stock. And today, if you see, the stock has taken support, and it broke this resistance level, which is coming from here. Okay, so tomorrow what we can do is simple thing. Just wait for this. 1 second. Okay, so wait for 713 level to be broken. Okay, I'll mark this level here. Nice. Okay. Oh, 1 second. Yeah. Wait for the 713 or 712 level to be broken. Then you can go ahead and buy the stock, and you'll be getting somewhere around targets of 3 or 4% on the upper side. Okay, and if the stock breaks, 702 level, you can directly go ahead and short. The next support level for the stock is at 682. So this will be giving you 2.9% of the results. So these are the 5 stocks which I have bought. So please mark these levels and trade accordingly. And I wish you all the best for the tomorrow's trading session. Please share this stocks with your friends so that they can also make profits. Okay. So the one thing I want to say here is I mostly suggest mid cap and very rarely small cap stocks. So the risk reward ratio, is the risk is little bit higher side, but if we follow perfect position sizing and risk management, if we keep our stop losses, so we'll be getting huge profits. We'll cut down the large losses, and we'll be getting out of the stock with the small loss if we are getting loss. Okay. So this is where we can make a good money in mid cap stocks, because these stocks will give maximum move like 3%, 4%. That is the reason why I always suggest the stocks which are at mid cap, or mainly mid cap, and small cap. And I suggest only 4 to 5 stocks, because people should not do over trading. So if you get 1 or 2 losses per day, just close the day trading day, and don't trade for that day. You can trade tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Market is not going anywhere. Save your capital. If you get losses in one day, single day, 2 or 3 losses, you just exit the trades. Keep your laptop or mobile aside. Don't trade that day. We can trade tomorrow. So these are the things you should follow while doing trading. So I hope you have liked my content. Please share with your friends. Help us grow. Thank you so much for all your support. uh, Keep enjoying. Thank you.